Hey there. Welcome back to our channel. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and join our community of tech enthusiasts. Today, we've got an exciting product to review. The all-in-one PC 22-inch Intel Core i7-3770 desktops. Computer-complete full-set PC gaming with CPU SSD Windows 10 Monoblock PC. That's a mouthful. But trust me, you'll want to hear all about this incredible piece of technology. First off, let's talk about the display. With a high resolution of 1920*1080 Full HD ADS screen, you're getting crisp, clear visuals with more detail and a wider view. Whether you're using it at home, for gaming, or in an office setting, this all-in-one computer is perfect for any task. Now, let's chat about shipping. We understand that when you order something, you want it ASAP. That's why we guarantee to send the items within 48 hours once your payment is completed. We strive to make sure you receive your new PC as quickly as possible. Thinking about buying in bulk? No problem. You can get our wholesale price quotation within 24 hours of your inquiry. Trust me, our price and quality will exceed your expectations. Just give us a call at 020-6639-3350 and we'll take care of the rest, and don't worry if you have any questions about the product. Our team of professional technicians is here to help you every step of the way. We're committed to making sure you have the best experience with your new PC. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to purchase this amazing all-in-one PC 22-inch Intel Core i7-3770 desktops. Computer-complete full-set PC gaming with CPU SSD Windows 10 Monoblock PC. Upgrade your tech game today and thank us later. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more reviews and tech tips. Thanks for watching.